Oh my god, okay, I got excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, another unboxing video, but I love doing videos like this, especially when I get to open boxes that I don't know what's inside. Okay, so for today's video, Beautiful Wandz did send me this amazing package. So thank you, Beautiful Wandz. I'm so excited. So if you guys aren't aware, Beautiful Wandz is the same company that does the Lash Artist subscription box. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I highly recommend to go watch it, and I'll have it linked here for you guys so you guys can go check it out. I am super excited to try out this brand. So I've known about this brand for quite a while now, not gonna lie, and the funny thing is that there's so many brands out there that I want to try, but you know, sometimes you just never get around to trying them all. So the fact that they just sent me this package, I am super excited. Beautiful Wandz is known for their custom aftercare kits, so they do provide aftercare kits, lash pads if you want to sell that. I think you pretty much just give them your logo and they do pretty much everything for you. So that is really cool, especially if you don't have the time to do it yourself, or if you want, you know, somebody professional to do it for you. So let's get into the unboxing. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's do this. So it says, be your own kind of beautiful. That's so cute. So again, I'm gonna have their Instagram and their website linked down below. That way you guys can go check them out. Just look how cute that card is. Oh no, they did it. Oh, okay, so the first thing in the box, I just want to show you guys. Oh, so I don't know why I get so excited trying out different brands and opening boxes. I don't know if you guys are like me. I feel like it's Christmas every time. But first thing in here is a lash tray. So they did send me a 0.05 cc curl. I just had a long weekend. Let's just say that. I had a long weekend and I'm still trying to recover. So if you hear me stuttering or just being like weird, just know it's because of that, because I had a long weekend. Okay, so let's get back into it. So look how cute the packaging is, first of all. And on the back it says, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. I love that. I'm like huge on like motivational quotes and all that, so it might be annoying to some of y'all, but if you're trying to succeed in anything, I'm just saying they help. So yeah, that's all right. The next thing in here is oh my god, okay, I got excited for something else, but look how cute this is. The packaging is adorable. Oh, she gave me 3 tweezers. Wow, so it comes with 3 black tweezers. The first one in here is pretty much just a straight tweezer. If you guys know me, I have a hard time using straight tweezers, but I can still give them a go. So these ones are, oh, this one's called Ambition. Oh, okay. So this one's called Ambition. This is the straight tweezer. All of them are called Ambition. Oh, this is different. This would be perfect for isolation. Look at this bad boy. So I believe this one does come in a set just like this. So if you are interested in these tweezers, then I will have everything linked down below. Oh, she sent me a curved tweezer. Y'all already know I love my curved tweezers. So hopefully this one is perfect for my fan making. So cute. I love that they're very sleek and black. Super cute. Thank you. Okay, next thing in here is, I'm so excited. I see it, but I'm saving it for y'all. Okay, the next thing in here, I think it's a lash tile. Oh, this is a lash tile. How cute. Super cute lash tile. It has little lashes. It's hot pink. Beautiful. I love it. and it does have the numbers on here, so you're able to put the length on there and you know exactly what length you're using without having to write it on the actual strip. If you are using like single lengths, I know a lot of brands don't have the numbers on it, but mixed trays normally do have links written on the strips, but still, this is super cute, super cute. Okay, next thing is this glue storage. This glue airtight container. What am I talking about? It's an airtight container. You guys can see that. Sorry, the light, but it has little lashes on it. It's super cute. So I already have a pink one just like this one, but it doesn't have the lashes. If you guys are not storing your glue, I highly recommend for you to get a glue storage container. These are perfect for storing your glue. You definitely don't want to be leaving your glue out and about just in your lash cart or in direct sunlight, because that messes up your glue. So something like this is perfect for storing your glue, and the fact that it has little lashes, yes. Okay, the next thing in here is this tweezer case, and it comes in like this teal, metallic teal color, and it just has lashes on it. Usually these are magnetic, so you pretty much just put them on here, and it's a good way to store your tweezers. So yeah, if you guys don't have anywhere to store your tweezers, little cases like this are perfect to keep them nice and safe. The next thing in here is, ooh, another tweezer. Okay, yes, I always get excited for tweezers. It's very lightweight, which I love lightweight tweezers, but this looks kind of like a little boot tweezer. I can't wait to try out this tweezer and see how it works for me. None of these tweezers have like a name or anything, so I'm not sure. If anything, I'll just go on the website and look for them and link them down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Okay, the one thing that I keep seeing that I'm like super excited about, oh my gosh, she did this, how cute. So she gave me a couple of oh my goodness, so she gave me a couple of these lash bags, and this is exactly what I was telling you guys about, that she does do custom orders where you're able to order and she'll do the aftercare for you guys. This is so cute. It has my logo, and the pink cap is super cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. It has my logo, and the pink cap is super cute. So this is a 50 ml bottle, so it's one of the tiny ones. Super cute. And I still have the prolonged concentrate that I got in the other box, so I'm definitely gonna make these for my clients. And the logo just looks so cute with the pink and white. I love this, it's so cute. Okay, next thing in here are these. Oh, that's so cute! Oh my goodness! Why am I so excited? Okay, so she ended up sending these little spoolie protectors. Oh, they're super cute. But the best part is that they have my logo on it. Wow, how did she do that? I mean, obviously, I know how she did that, but that is super cute. Okay, so she pretty much just sent, super cute, but look at my logo. She put my logo on it. I don't know if you guys can see that correctly. Let me take this out. But she put my logo on it. That's super cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even want to give these away. I want to just keep them for myself. These are super cute. Wow. Oh, I love these. I think I'm gonna have to put another order for a couple of more of these spoolies because these are super cute. Okay, and I think, oh, that's so cute. She also put the logo on these lip masks. So again, she does the custom orders and she's able to put your logo on this. That way you can create your own aftercare kits. This is a really good idea. Like I said, if you don't have the time or the patience to do all this yourself, because it is a lot of work trying to create your own aftercare kits, but the fact that she does this for you and pretty much put your logo on everything, that is adorable. That is super, super cute. And then the next thing, I don't know why I'm so excited. Wow, this is so cute. Okay, so she ended up sending me, wow, I love these brushes. These brushes are super cute. So she sent me a couple of brushes for my aftercare kits, and look how adorable these little brushes are. So these are even perfect for eyeshadow. Ooh. But they have little lashes on them. I don't know if you guys can see that. But they have little lashes. How cute. Oh, I love this. And then the next thing in here is this. Oh, this is adorable. So this is a diamond pen. I actually have some of these pens, but this actually has little lashes on it. You guys can see that. That's super cute. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna put this in my bag so I can have you carry you around. Okay, and the last thing in here, sanity and happiness are an impossible combination. The packaging is super cute. Oh, this thing is huge. It's like bigger than my face. Oh, okay. These are cute. So she ended up sending me one of her big books of, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, big books, of her pre-made fans. These are 5D 0.07D curl mix. Oh my goodness, these are super, super cute. Would you guys like me to do a video using these pre-made lashes and do like a whole video all about pre-mades? This would be perfect to do a video. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video all about pre-made fans. I actually did one at the beginning of the year and it just got lost within all my footage, and then when I went back to do that video, I did not like the way it came out at all. I wasn't happy about it. So I can definitely do another video for you guys if you guys are interested, because pre-made fans are a good thing if you are short on time, and you know, if you are just a beginner and you want to get into volume lashes, these are definitely a good way to go about it. So I can definitely do a video for you guys if you guys are interested. These look so nice. Oh yeah. And it's a big book, so that's a lot of pre-made fans. This is really, really nice. I love the packaging too. It's definitely high quality. Like just the box alone, like I do not want to get rid of that. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's unboxing. I love this. It was so much fun. You know, it was like a bunch of random products, but I love it. I am super excited about the lash baths. I think I'm gonna continue ordering with them. Just the fact that they already do everything. It already comes with the directions, the ingredients. Yeah, these ingredients are from the Prolong concentrate, and I believe she does sell the concentrate on her website. Look how cute that is. So yeah, that is my logo. Super cute. I'm so excited. Oh yes, I'm gonna go do this today. But this just stole my heart. This is super, super cute. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you so much, beautiful Wandz. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys do want to check out this brand, I will have all the information linked down below. Again, they are the same brand that does the Lash Artist subscription box. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna have all the info linked down below for you guys. If you guys are looking for a good way to do your aftercare kits but don't want to struggle with it, definitely, I feel like I say definitely in all my videos. But go check them out. Just give her your logo and she will pretty much just handle the rest. And especially those cute little lash bath brushes, they are super cute. So again, if you guys do want me to do a video using the pre-made fans, let me know down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do like these unboxing videos, let me know that you guys do like them, because I feel like these videos don't get that many views, but it's okay. It's all good. I feel like I do it it for myself because I have fun doing it anyways. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future lash content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.